Hello everybody, we are back, Duo Unity, for these Unity adventures. So first, maybe we didn't tell you what exactly is Feuerwerk der Turnkunst, the show in which we are performing this month. Feuerwerk der Turnkunst is a big show happening here in Germany after Christmas, so during the month of January, and it gathers lots of acrobats, circus artists, gymnasts of very high level, and it is a really beautiful show. And so we're gonna show you today just a little bit of what's happening in the backstage when the group arrives in a new venue. And so we arrive in the afternoon, we have some time to get ready, going inside the show Aura.
Don't stop! Keep playing!
Today we are in a new venue. We're gonna go try the floor. It's like a big track under that goes right in the middle. So we're gonna spin on that and see how fun it is.
Oh, lucky I've put black on. It's very easy to film me.
Hier eins. You can go.
And do you do a big warm-up before your...
Yeah, like an hour.
An hour warm-up?
More or less.
You just do it on your yoga mat?
Exercises and stretching. But like the foundation and the cheeks, like highlights, it's like circus.
Okay.
But the eyes, yeah, to make them smoky, it's really hard.
I don't know what I'm doing.
That's the wrong rope!
It's everywhere. Yeah, we're good.
There will be television, both shows, so we have a very short setup and strict plan for the setup.
Good morning. I'm filming because apparently it's the best breakfast.
Yeah.
Is it? You think so? It's only fish. Oh wow. Morgen. Do you like your breakfast?
Yes, so good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Are you guilty of drinking 5 juices in the morning?
Healthy orange juice.
Healthy orange
Hot
juice?
chocolate.
Hot chocolate.
Nothing.
Water.
Healthy orange
Juice again.
Yeah, that's like smoothie. Come on. I have to try everything.
That's what we call a real morning breakfast.
There's someone who wants to interview us today. How we turn, when to stop, when to let go, how to not get dizzy, and in how many turns we manage to do per minute.
Alcohol is the answer to all of these questions.
Alcohol is the answer. Did you order from the chef?
I went with the French toast with maple syrup.
It was possible to have French toast?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Going up?
Going up, down?
I'm going up. Oh, you sabotaged my elevator.
Hitchhiked. Sorry.
Dashed my elevator.
So sorry. But it's great company, so...
Yeah.
It's too early for this.
Bye. Have a nice day still.
We're so gonna be late. There's Garage P2. Is that what we needed? Oh no, look. Feuerwerk der Turnkunst. There's
There.
ever.
On stage in 10 minutes.
Yeah. This or this? What's this? This is close to this. Maybe on the other side. I guess like over there.
If we're late of 5 minutes, we don't have any more time.
I know. Oh shit. Wir kommen wieder zur Arena. Sind total verloren.
Vollkommen richtig.
Oh, okay. Il faut aller sur scène direct. Da ist aber viel Popcorn hier. Tu peux laisser là la valise si tu veux. Je crois. We're even early. We're stressing so much. So after this delicious breakfast, we're now here in the arena. It's 11 o'clock in the morning. We have 2 shows today. And we came early to check out the floor. And Francis is right here with a wheel and his coat because we were a little bit short on time.
Oh, it's very cricket.
Oh, very cricket.
So you want to do an interview?
If you are okay, we can just talk.
She explained very good. I just had to smile.
It's hard to do it in half English, half German for us also because we speak French with each other. So then we explain something in French and then we explain English to the camera and then I have to switch to German and it mixes up. But it's fun. Problem in the neck. I didn't sleep so well tonight, but magic hands are fixing it for me. This is good.
Yeah, schön.
This is nearly good.
Okay. Same spot.
This is a little bit still the same here. Getting a second treatment, which is some kind of electromagnetics. Electromagnetics. I'm gonna go on there for 10 minutes.
Yeah.
You're
8
gonna
minutes.
feel 8 minutes.
8 minutes.
It's awesome because we have super good medical treatment here. Usually this is not happening.
Okay. So it's 8 minutes.
See you in 8 minutes. Micro circulation.
Yeah, because about 75% of our vessels is microcirculation. It's the small vessels. Generation and nutrition in the injured area.
Supports regeneration and nutrition in that area. That's why I sound really smart when I say it. So at the end, the physio, he put me like tape on it, massaged me. He told me to put on ice. So that's what I'm doing now. Tomorrow is a day off, so it's all okay. And now we're gonna go on stage, back on stage for the final bows.
Hello!
Who's that? Oh, it's the same person.
What?
Did you see that?
Oh my God! There's stars! Look, there's stars. They're right here. Oh my God! I recognize you. Oh my God! I have your autograph.
Yes, of course. You want us to say something?
Yeah, please say für Thorsten.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Good music, we eat nice food, we drink nice drinks, we eat nice chocolate, we use good connection, internet, everything good in this room.
Everything's good, yeah?
Even smell is good, yeah.
It's warm-up time.
It's good, awesome.
Yo.
Lea knows that I love big drinks. Oh, this is really the best thing.
You know what's the worst?
What?
I've been carrying these
Oh
since
my-
Christmas.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
That's really cute. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Hey! I've got a gift from Feuerwerk der Turnkunst.
It's so cool.
So it's my birthday and we were doing the bows, and then Heidi comes to me and she gives me this. So I've got a beautiful bag from Feuerwerk. Oh.
Oh.
We got a t-shirt. T-shirt of the show.
I promise you the birthday cake.
You can try my cake.
Thank you.
Es ist eigentlich gar nicht so schlecht hier. Und wie heißt es hier?
We are now getting ready to go on stage, and the final step before going on stage is to fix my dress with a needle and some yarn. Once it opened on stage, like the zipper opened, and now we don't want this to happen anymore, and this is why now
I've been called many names in my life. Professional needler is one of them.
tonight we are in Göttingen, and this is actually our 4th to last show, so there's only 4 last shows left. And tonight there's a big cocktail party, so apparently there's going to be cocktail and pizza, and everybody's really excited. So this is basically the plan for today.
So we just finished the show. It was great.
We put this romantic light because we're thinking it's like really nice, but it's terrible for filming. See, it's very romantic when you come in. Now there's more people joining. Oh, romantic! Oh! Oh! It's a romantic light. I'm waiting.
I'm naked.
Francis is naked! Do you guys like the romantic light? How was the show, guys? This is what Jonglissimo does when they don't juggle.
So here it is.
Show in Göttingen is about to start, and we're gonna watch the opening. But this is how this venue looks like. That's the stage, and this is the artist corridor, which goes all the way to our dressing rooms that are over there. Are you excited for the show? Is this the juggling lesson? Juggling lesson 101?
I'm the air juggler.
The air juggler.
Yes.
Damn, behind the back. It's our very last show of this month, We did 26, 28, I don't know how many shows together, and today is the very last show. Everybody's excited, everybody's really sad, but everybody's excited, so we're gonna rock it!
Yeah, it's gonna be a cool show, and for one last time we'll be kissing on this delightful music on which we don't play so often, but it's really cool, and it's very sad to see every act of this show for one last time. But at the same time, that is circus life, and life is gonna go on, and everybody is gonna go for other projects. But this time with Aura was just really incredible, really magical. We've met so many wonderful people, beautiful artists, incredible gymnasts, Olympic athletes, and yeah, it was just so amazing. And especially this show, Aura, was just wow.
Ruth! It's the last show! What do you want to say? She's crying. She's sad. Are you guys excited for the last show? Yeah! Are you sad? Yeah. Are you excited for the last show?
Totally. Come in.
Awesome. Are you guys, everybody ready? You look like... Dressing room. Are you guys excited for the last show? Yeah! Enjoy it. Have a good one.
Thank you.
Are you excited for the last show? Hi.
Yes, I'm really excited actually. I'm sad as well because it's going to be over tonight, but I think it's going to be a wonderful last show.
Are you guys excited for the last show?
Yes.
Are you sad?
But I think it's gonna be really, really fun. Well,
Yes.
we're gonna try to make it really fun. It has to be fun.
Luca is back in the house. Woo! Yes. Are you excited? Are you excited for the last show?
Yeah, of course I am.
Awesome. Are you guys excited?
Of course.
Are you excited for the last show? You're sad? Yeah, I'm sad too. Are you excited for the last show?
I'm not really excited about the last show because for me every show is a good show, a beautiful show, and I'm thinking always positive. No matter it's the first, second, or the last one. I'm looking forward to the after show party. That I'm excited about. So see you at the after show party. Let's have a drink. Let's have some cocktails, and after the party, it's the hotel lobby.
I love it.
Happy last show. I cry already. Ich wünsche euch auch einen guten letzten Show.
I'm so, I don't know, emotional, I guess is the word. A very last goodbye party, and everybody's really sad. I'm very sad as well. Let's go to this party. It's gonna be awesome.
Coming to the party?
I'm coming to the party.
You're welcome.
Is this a party?
Yes.
Oh, it's still so empty.
It's a seating and eating party.
And what is this thing?
You have to sign your name, and you search for your name. If you're here, you're invited to the party.
That was like an amazing tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. And we're sending all our love to you. See you guys soon.
Bye.
Oh, someone's coming. Ruth. This is Ruth, the professional violin player.
Can you play us like one note?
Lea, wir lieben dich! Schöne Grüße nach Paris! Du, Unity! One life! Moulin Rouge, baby! Keep it OG, baby!